Good morning students. Now today we will see chapter 30 of our general knowledge, that is Rivers, Lifeline of Mankind, and this chapter is based on the theme of my country, my people, my world. Now since ancient times, rivers have been considered as the lifeline of human civilization. Many dams and multipurpose projects have been built on various rivers to tap the river water in the best possible ways. So the first river is Narmada. Narmada River, also called the Reva and the previously also known as Narbada. It is also known as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat for its huge contribution to the state of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat in many ways. The next river is Koshi, is a transboundary river which flows through Tibet, Nepal and India. It drains the northern slopes of the Himalayas in Tibet and the southern slopes in Nepal. From a major confluence and tributaries north of the Chatra Gorge onwards, the Koshi River is also known as Saptakoshi. The next river is Satluj River. It is the longest of the 5 rivers that flows through the historic crossroads region of Punjab in North India and Pakistan. The Satluj River is also known as Satadri. It is the estuarine tributary of the Indus River. The Mahanadi is a major river in east central India. It drains an area of 54,700 square meters and has a total course of 858 kilometers. Mahanadi is also known for the Hirakud Dam. The river flows through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Kaveri is an Indian river flowing through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Kaveri river rises at Talakaveri in the Brahmanagari range in the Western Ghats, Kodagu district of the states of Karnataka at an elevation of 1341 meter above mean sea level and flows for about 800 km before it outfalls into the Bay of Bengal. The Padma or Poda is a major river in Bangladesh and India. It is the main distributary of the Ganges, flowing generally southeast from 120 km to its confluence with the Meghna River near the Bay of Bengal. The Tapti River is a river in central India between the Godavari and Narmada River, which flows westwards before draining into the Arabian Sea. The river has a length of 724 kilometers and its origin is near Multai Reserve Forest in MP. The Ganga or Ganges is a transboundary river of Asia which flows throughout India and Bangladesh. The 2,704 km river originates from the Gangotri Glacier of Western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east to the Gangetic Plain of India and Bangladesh, eventually emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Godavari is India's second longest river after the Ganga. Its source is in Trimbakeshwar, Maharashtra. It flows east from 1465 kilometers, draining the states of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Thank you.